Hello everybody, this is Gabriel. So this is an update on the cryptocurrencies. Today was another strong loss day for the crypto bulls. Um, Bitcoin is currently losing like 3% per day, but we've seen strong sell-off in the other cryptocurrencies, the altcoins, like in Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. We saw losses of more than 10%, for example, with Litecoin today. So the charting picture doesn't look good for the perma bulls, cryptocurrencies. As you might remember, there was this entry signal here on system one and right up here, and I thought it was a good entry to get into a pullback mode. Well, obviously the stop level was hit right here, and as price developed after that, like we have passed a couple of weeks now, is it looks like we're going to see new lows. So we're going to see an acceleration. Like if this is a very volatile down move, and this is the consolidation, so that's a trend following consolidation to the downside. We can actually expect another a measured move of same extent and volatility to the downside. And this should bring us around the 5,500 level in Bitcoin. Let's just have a look at the bigger picture on the weekly. So this is the weekly chart Bitcoin. Well, that looks very bearish indeed. I think we're going to dive into this area. We're going to see a touch of the 200 moving average on the weekly, and we're diving into this area of 5,000, between 6,000 and 5,000, let's say. So the overall S1 pattern is still active up to this low, so I'm still bullish as long as prices are staying above the $3,200 level, and in the long time. But for the medium term, like for the next couple of weeks or months, I'm expecting a deep dive into this area. But more interesting is analysis of the altcoins. So let's have a look at those. As you might know, the altcoins are underperforming Bitcoin, and we can clearly see it here with the Bitcoin Cash, the weekly chart. That was an S1 pattern too, and it wasn't able to follow through. So that's already a warning sign. And after this big up move, well, Bitcoin Cash went from 70 to more than 500. And well, after this big up move, we're going to see a heavy selling. And I actually believe that we're going to see new lows. So this up move was just basically a one leg move, and it might not have been the start of an overall uptrend here in Bitcoin Cash. Well, if we look at the Ethereum, well, Ethereum triggered a short signal on signal one, so as it broke this red line, it's basically it's very close to the low, right, which is down here. So it can make new lows in a couple of weeks. And obviously, if these macro coins like Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, if they break to new lows, well, we'll see a panic in the crypto market. Like a lot of confident long-term bulls will actually throw the towel, and this is what we're looking for seeing a change in the overall dynamic of the market towards a continuation of the long-term bull. So let's have a look at Litecoin. Litecoin lost today more than 10%. Well, that's a weekly chart. You can see as well, like it had this tremendous up move from 20 to from 20, well indeed, from 20 to 145, and it's selling heavily, and it's not too far away from new low. So I'm actually expecting here to see new lows in the major altcoins, and this will trigger a panic, and a lot of bulls will become discouraged. Going back to Bitcoin, well, we're far away of making a new low. But if we see new lows in the altcoins, well this will drive the price definitely into this area. We might even see a test of this low here at around 3,300. And whenever we see such a panic, well, these are buying times. If you believe in a long-term bull, I still do so. And these are interesting times. So the next target becomes here this green line. It's going to be tested from above. As a magnet is a 200 moving average, so price should cut through this green line support and test and spike the 200. And then we'll see how deep prices fall into this area. Well, that becomes free fall territory. How deep it falls and where it finds initial support, and what the altcoins are doing at that point of time. So very exciting times, and stay tuned. Thank you.